Hey guys, how's it going? Well, I got given an unusual lock yesterday. I've never come across one of these before. I'm sure you recognise it. It's off of a glass display cabinet, what you see in a lot of shops. They normally keep the more valuable items locked up in a glass display box. So unlock it and that slides along the sawtooth edge there and lock it up and it's fixed. Now there's the key. It's a wafer lock, so we already know it's not going to be too difficult. So let's try the snowman pick, and this one is a majestic pick. This is from my first ever lockpick set, long time ago. Alright, let's stick the pick in there. I'll just adjust the camera so you can see a bit better. I'm going to pop the pick in first because I find that works better than the lever, and give it a little bit of a wiggle. The pick's not gone in there properly. Give it a little wiggle, and there we have it. That's unlocked. That's unlocked all the way, and there we can take it off. Okay, let's try another way of getting in. Lock it up again. Let's try, what should we try? Jiggle key. Alright, let's try that. Jiggle, jiggle. Right, well that one didn't want to work. Let's try a different one. Go for a bigger size. Jiggle keys, if you've never tried them, they're pretty good fun. And this lot, I've opened up all sorts of things with these. Just a matter of finding the right size and what you're doing. Literally just jiggle it about, and there we go, we've got that almost open all the way. There we go. So the jiggle key worked. Let's try something else. Okay, let's lock that up. Let's try another form of jiggle key. I know this one works because I've tried it earlier. This is quite a good set actually. I got off of, I don't know, one of the Chinese sites. Of course it works perfect without the camera on, but as soon as you put the camera on, that's sod's law. There we go. There we go. We got that. What else can we try? Might as well try a few different things. But I've got to say this lock's not very secure, but I kind of didn't think it would be. What else shall we do? Let's rake it open. Just a city rake. This one's by, who's this one by? Sparrows. Sparrows is my go-to lock picks at the moment. go. Very nice pick rake, this one. It's 0.2 mil or something. 20.20, whatever it is. I don't know all that millimeter stuff. But there you go. But as you lockpick guys are probably interested, this set here is pretty good. I mean, this top one is so thin, it's perfect for decoding your combo locks, and you got a huge variety of tryout keys there. It also comes with a second set. These are more like for you trying out car key for car locks, but not that I don't really mess around with car locks much, but I will if I come across one or somebody gives me a car lock. I will try them, of course. So there you go, you get 2 packs in that little box. I think about $20, but pretty well made. I think all stainless steel. These jiggle keys, there's 3 sets on there, and they're only a few bucks a set. They're pretty good. So there you go. Anyway, just a quick video on a cabinet display lock. Obviously, I'm sure a few of you were curious about these. I've never come across them before, as I was curious. Thanks for watching. Catch you later, guys.